Hello all, welcome back to the tutorial of C programming for beginners. Hi, this is Sakthi Arun, M.Tech student from NIT Patna. I'm technically supporting the missile Ingeniator. In my last lecture video, I have given a theoretical concept for loop statement. In this lecture video, I'm going to give a simple C program for statement such that you'll get to know how basic syntax and the body of the for loop is executed. Okay. So first statement will be, I'm going to explain a simple C program with adding sum of n numbers. To do that, I'm going to declare two variables here. One is to tell that how many numbers we have to add. The next is I'm going to initialize the value for storing the result value, the total sum value. I'm going to declare the value as 0. Okay. After declaration, I have initialized the value to be initialized 0. Okay, the next thing is we have to get the value from the user, that how many numbers we have to till how many numbers we have to add the values. Okay, to do that I'm using a scanf functions. So it's the percentage d for the for a integer type, so ampersand, and then I copy paste here whatever the values I declared there. I'm using the same variable here, and then we have to go for loop. Okay, so in for loop I'm initializing the new variable, I'm declaring and initializing at the similarly here, and the next thing is I'm going to give a conditions. I'm going to add it till the number of whatever number I'm going to mention here. The next thing is I'm manipulating the data as post increment. Okay, so what happens is after the body of the loop is executed, the value will be incremented to +1. Okay, so I plus plus nothing but I equal to I plus 1. Okay, so then here what I'm telling is I'm manipulating the sum value with whatever the incremental value of I here. Okay, so initially the value will be 0, in the next case the value will be 1, and next 3, and further goes on it till whatever number I am mentioning here. Okay, so and finally after all these executions, what happens is I'm going to print the value of an sum here. Okay, so the value of sum is equal to the value of sum equal to percentage d, and then I am going to mention with /n. This is for as just as escape sequence for new line, and then I give the variable as sum. Okay, so now let me run the program. I'm telling for a simple case I'm going to use the number till 3. Okay, okay, so now what happens here is I given 3. So for the 3, what is expected result is at first the loop takes for the first it takes 0 plus 0, the value will be 0. Okay, and in the next case it goes for 0 plus 1. Okay, and then the value will be 1, and in the next case what it does, it start adding 1 plus 2, so the value will be 3, and in the next case the value will be added to 3 plus 3, which is equal to 6. Okay, so in the next case when it do a manipulation to 4, so the value will be not, this condition fails because the number I have given is 3 and 4 is not less than 3, the condition fails, so it come out of the loop and it print the value of 6 here. Okay, so that's how this simple for loop statement works. Okay, so if you guys have any doubt in this simple C program for statement, please post it in the comment section. Okay, thank you all for watching this lecture video.